Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the error code 0xc1900102 when installing Windows 11 update. The 0xc1900102 error code usually occurs when you attempt a feature update to a newer versions of Windows 10. And common culprits in this error include incompatibility drivers, outdated storage or network drivers, and third-party programs, and corrupted system files. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to update all your drivers. So all you have to do is to right click on the Windows Start button and then select Device Manager. And once you open up this Device Manager and then next step, then we need to modify this or update this drive. So click this arrow to expand and then select this drive and then select and then right click and then tap update driver. In updating, we have two options: search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then we need to select this search automatically. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. So once you're done here and these drives, and the other keyword that we need to update is the network adapter. And then select this arrow to expand. And then you need now to select your network adapters drivers. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then tap update driver. And updating, we have two options like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then you need to select the search automatically. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. So once you're done here at network adapters, and the other keyword that we need to update is the storage control. So scroll down and then find this storage controllers. So click this arrow to expand and then select this storage controllers drivers to update and then right click and then tap update driver and then select search automatically for drivers. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so once you're done here at Device Manager, and then we need to close. And the other solution that we're going to do is to run the Windows Update troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then here at search for apps, and then we need to type this troubleshoot settings. And then click open. And here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters. And again here in other troubleshooters, and then you need to select Windows Update and on right side, and then you need to click this run. And wait to complete the detecting problems, initializing and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed, and then the scans is already complete. And then so we have problems found that the Windows Update issues one detected. And if this problem is not yet fixed, and then click this yes, but if not, then click no. And also you can view the detailed informations about these issues. And once you're done here at Windows Update troubleshooters, and then we need to close. And then here at start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix the error code 0xc1900101 when installing Windows 11 update. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.